So in the previous video, we have solved this particular problem on the model, and we got all the various answers that we had fed. And after submitting, this is where you will get this particular interface, and this is called review of the question. So the review opens up and shows which of the answers that you have fed are correct, and the exact value that was intended, and if your value is within plus or minus 1%, you will be marked, you will be given full marks. And if the error is more than that but still less than 10% plus or minus, that will be marked as partially correct answer. So in this case, you can see the value is within 1%, and hence full marks have been given, and a green tick mark appears here, whereas here a gray colored tick mark is appearing here, which means the answer is partially correct. So correct answer exactly, that is correct answer is 20.1 and you're getting 21.25. so that falls, the error is more than 1% but still within 10% and hence partially correct. So you can move down again and see that this particular answer is completely out of 10% and hence it is wrong. So if we go back to the mistake that was possible, we find that the mistake I did was, instead of, you can see this is where I had done that particular calculation, and instead of giving 45 and 26 power 3, I had actually entered it in the reverse format. So this is what I had written, and the mistake that happened was over here. So you can see instead of multiplying, I have by mistake given a decimal point over here. So it was actually supposed to be multiplication. In this particular calculator, multiplication is appearing as a dot, and I think by mistake I just made it as a decimal point, and hence the answer that we see here is way wrong, way ahead of what we were actually expecting. Whereas the answer for 1 axis, you can see we have got it correct. There was slight error while calculating IFX, but still within 10% of the error, hence some marks have been given. So like that, you can just cross-reference it with whatever calculations you have done and try to find out what were the mistakes that happened, so that next time when you redo the test again, you will be able to do it without any mistakes and are able to get full marks. Okay, thank you.